In this video, I will show you some ideas on how to create PowerPoint presentation for your project. There are a few ways to start a PowerPoint presentation. You can start it from your Canvas course page by clicking on Office 365. The OneDrive will open up and you can create a new PowerPoint file, or you can start by clicking Google Drive. That will take you to your Google Drive. Another way to get to your Google Drive is to open New tab and click on this icon, Show Apps. Choose Google Drive, find the folder where you want to create your file at, and click New, Google Slides, Blank Presentation. You can choose a template for your presentation. Go back to the first slide on the left. Click Enter to create the next slide. If you don't like it, you can always change the template. Another way to create a PowerPoint presentation is to go to Start menu, click Start menu, find PowerPoint, and click on the PowerPoint link. Click Blank Presentation. You will see the Design Ideas help will pop up on the right. If it didn't, click on Design Ideas icon to open the Design Ideas pane for instant slide makeover. To see more design ideas, click See More Design Ideas and have fun choosing template for your presentation. Once you created the first page, go back to Design Ideas on the right side and you can rearrange your first page. To create new page, go to the first page of your PowerPoint on the left. Click on it, click Enter. If you don't like the template for your next pages, you can always change it by going to the right side or clicking on Design Ideas icon and choosing the template for each slide. If you're a student at Antelope Valley College, you can access Office 365 from AVC Login ID page. Go to www.avc.edu, go to AVC ID Login, enter your username and password, log in. You will see available apps. Click on Office 365 to log in or to install Microsoft Office 365. And then from this page, you can click PowerPoint to create new PowerPoint and have fun choosing the template for your PowerPoint. To change the design, go to Design menu to open more choices for templates. When you're done, don't forget to save your PowerPoint. If you're creating PowerPoint in Google Drive, you can rename it just by clicking on the file name and rename it. If you're working from the Microsoft Office 365 PowerPoint app, then you can rename it by clicking File, Save As, and choosing the location where you want to save it. To make your PowerPoint more engaging and entertaining, you can use animation to add animation to the parts of the slides. For example, I want slide number 1 appear after the click. Choose the animation and I want the introduction part to be next. I will click on Add Animation and you will see that this text will come first and introduction text will come second. If you want to switch them or rearrange, click on Animation pane and move it by grabbing the text and moving it up, or selecting the text and click Move Up or Move Down. If you want to add the transition to your slide, click on the slide that you want to add the transition to and choose the transition. If you want to insert any content, click on Insert. You can insert table, pictures, shapes, text box, word art, question, or media content. If you're working with Google Slides, it's going to have a slightly different options, but feel free to discover it. And have fun creating your PowerPoint presentation. I hope that was helpful.